Today I'm going to show you how to install Elementor for free on your WordPress website. Hi, my name is Curtis Marshall. I'm a web designer that's passionate about helping others learn the best ways to use Elementor to improve their website's user experience, SEO, and revenue. If you're new to my channel, maybe consider hitting the red subscribe button. Alright, so before we jump in here, I do want to say if you want to learn more of what Elementor is, what it's about, who created it, and of course, why do I as a web designer use it for my clients, I actually have that old little video there I just published recently. I'll have the link for that down in the description below, as well as in the cards of this video. So you can click that to learn more about the background of why I chose Elementor. But today's video is all about adding the Elementor free plugin to your website. So we're just going to jump in here to the back end of just a test website I created here. So once you log into your WordPress website, this is the dashboard. That's the first thing you're probably going to see. On your left-hand side, there is the plugins section. You're going to want to click that section. And then there is the plugins section. So there's this add new button. This is how you're going to add a new plugin to your WordPress website. So you're going to click that add new button. And then this takes you to kind of like the plugins directory or store here. And this is where you're going to download your new WordPress plugins here. And this is where we're going to find Elementor. So where it says search plugins, just click here and just type in Elementor. And then hit enter or search. And it's going to bring up all the plugins that have Elementor associated to it, keyword into it. The first one to top left here is going to be Elementor WordPress Elementor website builder, if only I can speak today. And for this is the one that you're going to want to download. This is the free plugin right here, the page builder. And we're going to hit this install button now. So you click that install button. It's going to take a second to install. And this is, this is a great time to get up and stretch if you want to, have maybe a quick dance, or maybe go and go get a coffee there. But as you can see there, we've just installed Elementor, but it's not active yet as a page builder for your WordPress website. So the second part here is you just want to hit that activate button there in that blue. You're going to click that, and that's now going to activate the Elementor plugin for your WordPress website. All right, so then once you hit that activate button, it's probably going to take you and redirect you to the elementor.com website. It's going to ask you to link your Elementor profile to this site, as well as maybe talk to you about the hello theme for Elementor. You can just keep hitting skip on all those buttons there. It's probably like 3 or 4 pages. Once you hit skip through them, it'll redirect you right back to WordPress here with a new page already with installed into it the Elementor page builder. So you can start immediately working with Elementor. And it's great. So if you guys like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up, that like button there. And if you want to see more content like this about Elementor and web design in general, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and that bell notification button so you can get notified each and every week when I drop a brand new video just like this one. But other than that, congratulations guys, you've now downloaded and activated Elementor on a WordPress website, and hope you guys have fun using it. Let me know in the comment section below why you downloaded Elementor and why do you like to use it. Let me know that down in the comment section below. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.